So my Finance Friday is a little different today. I'm going to talk about your business. And so I want to challenge yourself. Google your name and tell me what shows up. Are people able to Google you and find out and dig a little bit more about you? So let's talk about an online presence. Number one is let's make sure that when you Google your name, you've got a Google business profile. Because if they pull you up, it'll show up right there in the feed with your name, your email address, the phone number, how to contact you. Very simple and easy. And the Finance Friday tip of the week is that it is free to do. So all of your online presence, a lot of it is free. You don't have to pay to do it. So do a Google business profile and get it set up. The other thing I want you to do is make sure that your Facebook, your Instagram, your social media all has your information. If I go and search your name on Facebook and I click more info or about you, am I able to find a phone number so I can call you or an email address to reach out? I can't tell you this week alone how many real estate agent professionals I've Googled trying to find a phone number and an email address for them, and there's no information. Or I click a website that they have on their social media and it takes me to like nowhere. And so it's so frustrating. So I'm like, if I can't find you, I know clients can't find you. And so if you don't have an online presence, you're missing out. You may have a lead that you talk to and you think it's really good and you have a great relationship with, and they start searching you up and they can't find anything about you and you're not on the internet. I promise you, your conversion rate will go down because they can't find you anywhere online. So people do business with people they know, like, and trust. So this is all free. Build your online presence. Make sure you've got all your information out there and it's up to date. And that's your tip for your Finance Friday.